Welcome. In front of me is a ZEBLAZE Vibe 7 Pro. That's a creative name. A watch, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's get started. Okay. Cutting my way into it. There we go. Rip that apart. Oh, that's a chunkers. Start, okay. Come on, blaze it up. One would presume that start will start the device, but maybe back will. Anything? Is there more buttons? No, there isn't. Okay, I'm gonna try to plug it in and see if that will turn it on. That feels like the cheapest cable I have ever felt included with the device. Wow. AliExpress special. Ooh. Okay. Come on. Ah, there we go. It's turning on. Or not. Please turn on. Now, anyway, I'm gonna just take this out as well. And no, this doesn't give me good vibes. This is packaging wise, the way it's included in the box, it just gives me, again, AliExpress vibes. This is something that you get on AliExpress as a additional belt strap for instance, your normal watch. They come in these packages, so this just kind of feels like a drop shipping product, to be completely honest. And well, not even turning on. Am I like stupid right here? You know, I can't be bothered to turn it on, to be honest. But from the looks of it, it does have an AMOLED display, which is pretty nice that it does. Let's see, do we have any information right here? We have Vibe 7 Pro, Shenzhen, whatever. Yeah, no specifications. We do have something right here. Ultra HD AMOLED display, so I was right. 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and make and receive calls, and multiple sports modes. So there we go, that's basically it. Now I would like to turn it on, but I can't. So, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.